After an exciting day, we looked forward to doing something less stressful. The African Queen was, of course, the answer to this. This luxury boat, also owned by Batoka Safaris, took us on a leisurely sunset trip. Most of the animals come to the river's edge for a drink at this time, and we were lucky to spot some rhino. The crew put their best foot forward and served a splendid light meal to go with our sundowners. At the point where we turned back, we were again treated to one of those one-in-a-million sunsets. You never tire of this, and with the aid of a few cold drinks, we helped the sun over the horizon and then made our way back to the mooring. These boat trips are hard to beat for pure unwinding and relaxation.